Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to use Siri voice on TikTok application. So the first thing you have to do, you need to open your TikTok application, and sometimes whenever you open it you will be generated into the home section. But now we need to jump into this plus button to create the new content or the new video. Just need to go click this plus button, and now you can take a photo right away, or you can also creating a video, or if you already have the content on your photo library, just need to go click upload it. But today I would like to make a simple video, so excuse me. Okay, now I already have this video. Now let's just go click next by click this checklist button, and after that I would like to add the voiceover by clicking this rose to exploring more features, and then just simply click voice. And now you can choose like the type of the voice effect that you want to use. So you can like just find out which best for you. And after that, after you found one, you just need to go click it. And now you can like start to record. Voice check. And after that, you just need to go click done.
Voice check.
And now you can like just go click save.
Voice check.
And whenever you're satisfied, go click next, and your content is ready to be uploaded into your account. So that's the way how to use Siri voice on the TikTok application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.